Okay, class, I'm going to do a little video of how you can get your color values from your color palette. So you can put it into your InDesign presentation layout for your identity. Okay, so this is basically your color palette for your branding system. I found a website called Colors. Some of you may be familiar with it, but it specifically has different color palettes, and you can actually make your own. So I just took a screenshot of the colors that I liked. And for this demo, I'm just going to show you how you can easily get the color values that you will need for your assignment. So I opened up the screenshot in Photoshop. So I went to File, Open, found the file on my computer, and I opened it. So this is what I'm seeing. And then I'm going to get my eyedropper tool right here. And I'm going to go through every single one of these, right? And get the color values. For the sake of time and repetition, I'm only going to do two. Okay, so I'm going to get my eyedropper tool, I'm going to click on it, and right here, it will pick up the color that I just eyedropped. And I just actually single click it, and I can pick up the RGB color values, the CMYK color values, and this is the hex code, or sometimes you might see it just as like the web color. So I'm going to write that down as well. So I have a piece of paper in front of me. I know you can't see me, but I have a piece of paper in front of me and my pen. And I'm going to write down for this first color, 42, 47, 53 for RGB. And you got to remember the order. Okay, write it down in the order. And then I'm going to put my hex code, HEX, and then I write this down. Then I'm going to write down my CMYK values. Again, the order matters. So 77, 67, 57, 58. Okay, so once I've written all that down, I'm going to close it. And once I do that for every single one, I can take my notes that have all my color values, and I can use those numbers so I can plug it into my InDesign layout. Okay, so just one more time, I'm gonna open up my screenshot, get my eyedropper tool, select the next color, right? So there'll be 5 different color sets, color values that I write down. Click on this. I'm going to write down the RGB colors, right? 119, 202, 195. Then I'm going to write down the hex value, 77CA-C3. And then I'm going to write down the CMYK values. So 60, 0, 31, 0. Okay, then I click OK, move on to the next one. So you will have 5 different color values for your document. All right, so fairly straightforward. If you have any questions, let me know.